Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be looking at how to journal your trades in 2021. So the app that you need for this when you want to journal your trades is Tradenal. Tradenal, you can either use the app or the site on the laptop. I'm going to show you both ways how you can do it, but I personally prefer using it on the phone. I haven't been using it lately, but maybe in the long run I'll start using it. But it's very important, especially if you're starting out. It's important to journal your trades and see, especially those that you lost out. I don't journal all my trades, but those that I lose on, I journal them and just using another method, but this another way I do it at times. I used to do it in the beginning. When you open this up, you can find it both on Google Play Store and App Store. So Tradenal, we're going to open it now. So this is the first image to give you after you downloaded it. So you can see there are no trades that I've entered here. So it's very easy to use and straightforward. So I'm going to walk you through it quickly and see how you can maneuver around it. So you just click there. So we want to add first the image of the trade. If you want, you can add, or if you want to, you don't necessarily need to add. So to add an image, you just go there. You pick the image that you want. You select. So this is, I'm going to pick USD-CHF. This is the trade that I took a minor loss on, and we're going to revise it. So we can see that we're revising this trade on the 14th, but I actually took the trade maybe a few days ago. So we click there to add the symbol. You just type in there USD-CHF, then you click and add it. Then for confirmation, what was my confirmation? It was more like a double bottom. You can pick any there, or add or edit these that are already there, or if you want you can just use any. So we just pick, let's say, double bottom was our confirmation. We go back, double bottom, then we're done. Then status, it was a loss. You click loss. Then position, I was long it. Then entry price, we can just say this is where you put where you entered it from. I can say I entered at 0.8919, and my stop loss, because I was long it, it was 0.8900. My stop loss was just about 19 pips. My take profit was 0.899. Yeah, I was targeting that. It's shown there your risk to rewards. Then this is the most important part, my concerns and lessons learned. So on my concerns, I can say USD-CHF was reaching support level, because it broke above this level, so it now became support. It was resistance, it broke above this resistance or key level, so it was coming to retest it. It was reaching support level and was a good level of entry. Yeah, that was our concern. Then lesson learned, stop loss was too tight. That was our first lesson. I entered too early and did not wait for candlestick confirmation. Then what the other lesson we learned from here? Yeah, those are the major lessons. You can add more depending on what you learn from it, but these are the major lessons that I learned from it. Then when you're done, you can just go on return and save your work. Now you can save. You can see how it's saved, how it looks like. So I know every time, maybe when I'm in my free time and I want to review this, I can just click here. If I'm reviewing my losses, you need to have days when you can review your losses and just see what went wrong. Especially, I think it should be done daily. You use this app and record you've seen. So I'm going to record another one just for example purposes. Remember, for me, I only use this app when I'm recording my losses, but you can use it for both losses and profits, or trades, or daily trades. For me, I only prefer losses because it's less bulky. I don't want to have so many trades here. I record everything. So we'll add another app, another trade. This was another trade that I took a loss on, AUD card. Yeah, you need to screenshot your analysis, and after maybe just take a loss and save it. So after that, you add the symbol AUD card, AUD Canadian dollar. So confirmation, it was downtrend. Yeah, that was my confirmation, because on a minor trend it was on a downtrend, and if you switch trend line, it actually went into profit and broke above the bigger trend line. You know, there are trends in trends. The bigger trend line was going bullish, but the minor one was going bearish. So I didn't see that. I only saw it later. So status was it was a loss. You put it there. Position you change to short. Then entry level, you can just enter that 0.9 834. Yeah. Then my stop loss was I've been using tighter stop losses of late. I don't know why. 45. Yeah. Short. Yeah. Take profit was at 0.9719. Yeah, that was my initial take profit. My concerns, what were my concerns? Bearish trend, and price reached a key level slash trend line slash resistance. If you want, you can just put as many details that concern you and that made you take this trade. Then you're done with that. Then lessons learned. Price was in overall bullish trend on higher time frame brackets, daily, weekly, monthly. Yeah, on our time frames. The bearish trend was just a retracement. Yeah, that was the lesson that I learned from this. And the trend line, the smaller trend line became too obvious. Yeah, then you mark out that point. So these are the lessons learned, and that's how you save it. You save it also, and you come there and you save it just like that. So you can enter as multiple trades as possible. It's very easy to use. You can even filter out there if you want to just view. Let's take, for example, if we had the winning trade, so that I show you both. So let's go to MT4. Let's go to gold. So just imagine this is gold. You just take a screenshot. This is gold on H4. So we take a screenshot, we save it, then we go back to the app. Then now we enter. Now want to record. This would be the last example on phone. So we go there, we go down there to add gold. Yeah, there it is. So we want to add the pair. Type in gold XAUSD. It's brought there. Let's say we wanted we're in a confirmation. Maybe we took a sell up there. I'm just giving an example. I didn't trade this pair, so maybe we say downtrend. Gold has been in a downtrend for some time. Status won. Yeah, won. You can even choose, if you canceled that trade and you canceled break even, you can choose any option. Position short. Yeah, we won this one. So let's say we entered at 1862. and our stop loss was at 1883, and our take profit was at 1800. Even show you your risk to reward there. Then you add notes. Gold was in bearish trend. Gold was in bearish trend, not trade, sorry, bearish trend, and was at a strong resistance slash key level. Yeah. So even a trade that we won, we definitely also pick out the lesson from it. So maybe we entered too early, the lesson learned, okay, or maybe was patient enough. Okay, since it was a win, we can put some positive. Was patient enough. Was patient enough to watch gold as it opened during NY session. Yeah, so usually for me, I like to trade gold during your NY session, so that's how I would save that. So I think then we save it. So now we've got free trades here, 3 I mean. So there's one that we won and 2 that we lost. So that's how I would save it. And if we want to filter, let's say on weekend, we're just seeing how we're progressing, we can just come there, status for the ones we won, then it will show us, and the ones we lost, it will show us also, just pick those 2. It's a very easy app, and I hope I wasn't too quick to show you. Let me see if I can also show you how to use it on the PC, but it's much easier to use it on the phone as compared to the PC. Our last example, I'll view it on the PC. So let's go to the PC now. So when it comes to the PC, you go to this site, www.tradenal.com. So you just go and get started. So I already have an account. I just need to input the password. Then we log in to appear like this. So those trades that we recently saved on the phone that we did together, they're here, 3 of them, the 2 losses and the 1 win. So to add another trade, and the goodness of the PC, you can also change the dark mode or light mode, but I just like the brighter one. Yeah, so you add, if you want to add a trade, you add the image. Remember, we do the same principles. So I've already added the image that I want to do here, Nasdaq. I hope you find Nasdaq. Click there. So the date we took the trade, we can say that 12th. Set the date we closed it. It was the same day, but maybe we can just change the time. Yeah, this one was a break-even trade, cancelled, or we can just say 1. Yeah, then position was short, confirmation, trend analysis, support, resistance, so we can say resistance. Then entry level, you can just put some figures there. It was at that's the problem with this one, you can't see the codes and everything. You can just go to the PC. We entered some. I entered the 13741 and 1. TP was somewhere just below here, 13558. 13558. The stop loss was just above here, 13776. 13776. So when we're done, we can add our concerns was in bearish trend and opened by rejecting the resistance. Yeah. Then the lesson learned, I shouldn't have held the sales for long. Once candle rejected, I should have started looking for buying opportunity. Yeah, just like that. So the trade name, Nasdaq. Oh yes, yeah, Nasdaq, this one. Nasdaq is a stock. And once we're done, yeah, you just click on the next one if you want to add another one. So this one, it saves automatically. Got 3 trades: the gold, AUD, USD, actually 4. So that's how you save it on the PC, and it's straightforward, but it's just much easier on the phone. As you can see, things much cleaner and everything. And if you want, you can change the mode and all this data that's saved here, once it's synced, because you use the same login ID on the PC and on the phone, and it's as clean as that. You can just review and see what caused the trades and the lesson, and you can see if you're repeating the same mistakes. I had a tendency of having the same mistakes in most of my losses. Then you can see how you can adjust your strategy and not change it. Yeah, so we've actually come to the end of the video, and hope this video was very helpful, and please remember to like, share and subscribe to help grow the community. It's bye for now. See you in the next one. Ciao.